taking care about in implementing the steps of STLC. As part of STLC, we need to take care about requirements understanding, and we got test plan and taking with test scenarios, and then test cases and need to take care about test execution. In that, if I'm taking with this particular test scenarios, meaning of test scenarios, what is it? What need to be tested? Meaning of test cases, what is it? How to be tested. In the same way, we need to take care about the test execution. Meaning of test execution, comparison of expected result with actual result. So if I'm taking with test execution, we need to be get mentioned the comparison of expected result with actual result. If I'm taking with expected result, meaning of expected result based on requirement document, meaning of actual result based on application, right? So we need to be get taking care about expected result and taking care about actual result. In case of both the results, are same, what you will consider? What you will consider? Test case has been passed. In case of that particular, both the results are not same, what will consider? What will consider? I'll consider that fail. I mean, to confirm that, to decide that that particular test case has been pass or fail, we need to take care about expected result and taking care about actual result. In that particular expected result, considering the result based on requirement document, actual result, we need to be get consider the result based on application, taking care about in doing comparison of both the results. The job role of the tester, the job role of the tester as part of test execution, taking care about in doing comparison of both the results. In case of both the results are same, we need to consider pass. Both the results are not same, considering that fail. Assume that the test case has been passed. If the test case has been passed, what we can do? I'll go with another test case. Test case has been passed. Test case has been passed. We'll go with another test case. In case of test case has been failed, what need to be done? What need to be done? Bug reporting. The test case has been failed. We need to take care about in doing bug reporting. So we got two things. One is test case pass. Another one, test case has been failed. So in case of that particular test case has been passed, we need to take care about another test case, and then we need to be take care about continued that particular execution. In case of any of the test case has been failed, we need to go with bug reporting. That is how we need to take care about in identifying the bugs. As part of writing the scenarios or writing the test cases, any bugs has been identified? while writing the test cases or while writing the test scenarios, any bugs has been identified? Yes or no? No. We are just taking care about in documenting the scenarios and test cases. That is like one type of documentation as part of the testing. As part of testing, we are taking care about in documenting or preparing that particular documents here. By taking the help of all those things, we need to get start test execution. So according to our understanding, if you want to start test execution, what you require for starting the test execution, what you require? What is it? Is it only test cases or only application? What is it? What is it? What is it? Both. What is it? Test cases and application. If you want to begin, start with test execution. We need to take care about in considering taking care about test cases along with test cases. What we require? What we require? Application. Along with test cases, we need to take care about that particular application. As simple as test cases prepared by tester. That means from the testing team, we can get test cases. In the same way, we got application. From where we can get application? Application provided by development team. Application provided by development team need to be get taking care about testing team and then taking care about development team. That particular testing team getting ready with test cases, development team getting ready with application. This is what the very starting point we have been discussed in the very starting sessions, considering that why testing has been required. Remember? What you remembered? Why testing required? What is the first reason? To provide quality of the product. Second reason, to perform development activity and testing activities at the same time. Meaning of the same time? What is it? What is it? Parallelly. What is the third reason? Possibility of identifying the issues in starting stages. Meaning of starting stages? As early as possible. So these three are top reasons. In that, if we consider our second point, it has been clearly mentioned, development team is totally different. Testing team is totally different. That particular development team taking care about starting their development activity and parallelly from the day one, testing team also getting started testing activities. By the time of test, nothing but ready with that particular respective bill. By the time of development team is ready with that particular respective bill, the testing team also ready with test cases. By that, development team will take care about releasing the build to the testing team. Releasing the build to the testing team, it will get deployed in that server according to that particular company. According to that particular IT company, they will maintain the required servers to get deployed, nothing but to get install that particular application. So once that particular deployment is completed, once that particular deployment is completed, taking care about, once a deployment is completed, you will get an email. I mean, the whole testing team will get an email from the development team in saying that that particular deployment completed in that particular respective server. As that particular deployment is completed, we need to take that application URL and need to be get started doing the testing activity, nothing but test execution activity. So now we got taking care about our test cases according to our project. According to our project, test cases are ready. We are having test cases. Along with test cases, along with the test cases, we got application also. Along with test cases, we got application also. That particular application is also ready. Now, test cases are available, application is available. As both are available, we can take care about getting started with test execution. As test cases and application both are available, both are ready, we can take care about in doing test execution. Meaning of test execution? Meaning of test execution? Comparison of expected result with actual result. We have to take care about in doing the activity. We have to take care about in doing that particular activity, considering that in doing the activity, considering that in taking that particular expected result and actual result need to be get compared with both the results. So let's see that how exactly we can take care about all these things. So as usual, in that as test cases are ready, we can go with that particular test cases and then we can take care about in having these particular test cases are ready, application is there and requirement document already available. We have to take care about all these things and we need to start our execution. At the time of designing the test cases, at the time of designing the test cases, we need to take care about in providing all the required details, considering that created by, meaning of created by name of the tester, nothing but who has been creating that particular test cases, we need to be get provide name of the tester. In the same way, we got reviewed by, meaning of reviewed by name of the test lead. Then we got approved by, meaning of approved by name of the test lead. Okay. Now continued with the same. Previously, we got taking care about designing the test cases. Now we are taking care about execution, executing the test cases. So who has been executing need to be get provide that particular details. According to that, the same template, everything followed by template only. Meaning of template, format. Templates are prepared by, templates are prepared by test lead. Test cases prepared by, test cases prepared by, test scenarios prepared by, test scenarios prepared by, test execution done by, test execution done by, test execution done by tester. Tester has to take care about doing the execution. Tester is responsible in writing test scenarios, test cases, test execution. Need to be get taken care by tester only. So because of that, who has been executing need to be get provide considering that name of the tester that executed by who has been executing need to be get provide name of that particular tester. In the same way, we need to take care about version. The meaning of version in future you'll understand in detail. For today, consider that is like version number. Just consider that one. In future, you'll understand in detail meaning of version number. For now, you can consider that taking with one. After that, date executed as usual need to be get provide current date. You need to be get provide date executed that will be taking with current date, mentioning that today's date need to be provided. After that, taking with build number. We need to take care about in considering that build number. If I'm taking with build number, what is our build number? What is the build number? 1. For now, build 1 released. That is what exactly your real time activities. According to the real time, it's not like the whole application developed in one single shot and testing will be done by only one time. According to that particular project, first will have some requirement you need to take care about in completing that particular requirement. We got build number is 1, which will be taking that particular build number that will be taking with build number is 1. Okay. This is what we need to be get take care about. This is what we need to be get take care about in understanding this particular respective activity. So the one we need to be get provide that particular execution details. Along with that, we got what is it? Total number of test cases. We got the total number of test cases. After that, passed. After that, fail, and then not executable, and then defects reported. I mean, related to this project, we need to be get provide what are all the total number of test cases has been created. For this project, we need to be get provide what are all the total number of test cases created. At the same time, in that total number of test cases, the how many test cases pass and how many test cases fail and how many test cases not executed and how many bugs has been reported. So that information we cannot provide it today. Today we can't able to provide that information at the end of the project. At the end of the project, we can take care about. At the end of the project, we can take care about in providing this particular information. So as part of test scenarios, we follow the template. Test cases, we follow the template. Test execution also taking care about that particular template according to that particular template taking care about test execution. Previously, we provided TC. Meaning of TC? Meaning of TC? Test case ID or number. Then we got TS. Meaning of TS? Test scenario ID or number. Then we got test design steps. We got tested design steps and then we got input data and expected result. Previously, we done up to expected result. Now, we need to continue. Now, we need to take care about and continue with taking actual result. Meaning of actual result? Meaning of actual result? Result based on application. We got application. Previously, we don't have application. Now we got access for application. We can go with actual result. Along with that, taking with pass, fail, not executable, comments, and taking with defect ID. So as part of test execution, we need to take care about in providing. As part of test execution, we have to take care about in providing these particular respective execution details. So let's see that how exactly we can take care about in executing. As usual, let's go with in the same step. First we'll be taking with 3.1. 3.1 related to 3.1 related to 3.1 is related to new user registration. So according to real time, once execution is started, or to start that execution, the test lead will take care about in assigning the required test cases to each and every team member. The test lead will take care about in assigning the test cases to each and every team member. Whatever test cases assigned by test lead, whatever test cases assigned by the test lead, as a tester, we need to take that particular test cases and need to start execution. So in that, let's take care about getting started with 3.1. In this 3.1, we got that particular test step. What are the test steps we got? What are the steps we got? Launching the browser. After that, enter URL. After that, click on new user register. After that, enter username. After that, enter password. After that, enter confirm password. So we have to take care about, we need to take care about and follow a very detailed steps need to be get, follow the same. Now let's see that. Taking care about launching the browser, entering the URL. After that, click on new user register. After that, need to be get provide username. We need to be get provide username and providing password, taking with confirm password. After that, full name and providing email address and taking with captcha. Taking with captcha and click on checkbox and finally click on register. So once we got click on register, what is the expected result? If we click on register, what is the expected result? What is the expected result? Email should be received from admin team with login details. So according to requirement document, expected result, email should be received from admin team with login details. Okay. So now let's see here in testing that. So this is what your test execution. Now you can understand why you came up with writing each and every test case and taking with each and every test step. If you are writing all the steps in the very clear way, your execution will become more comfortable. Okay. Now let's click on register. What is the result we got? What is the result? It is saying that username already available, email address already available. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of no? What is the meaning of this error message? What is it? The username which we got enter, it is already registered. That is what we written the test case also. We written that particular test case also. See that particular test case. What is the fourth step? Enter existing username. You need to try to register by entering existing username. What should be that expected result? What should be the expected result? Error message should be displayed. So if we look into the application, what is the actual result he got? What is the actual result he got? Error message displayed or not? What kind of error message? That is a secondary. According to requirement document, expected result need to be displayed. Expected result displayed or not? I mean, error message displayed or not? Okay. So here we can consider that in writing actual result. What is actual result you can write? Error message is displayed. Error message is displayed. Okay. Now you can start doing comparison of expected result with actual result. Both are same? Both are same or not? When you compare expected result, actual result, both the results are same or not? Same or not, guys? Same. As both the results are same, what you will consider? What you will consider? What will consider? Pass or fail? Pass or fail? Why pass? What is that both? Expected result and actual results are same. Because of that particular test case, you are marking as a pass. So this is what the concept of the job role of tester as part of test execution. As part of test execution, we need to take care about in having each and every test case and need to be get executed. Let's see that this test case here. See the test case. What is the first step? Launch browser. After that, enter URL. After that, click on new user register. And after that, click on register button. Now once you got click on register button, what is the test data? URL. What is the expected result? What is the expected result? Error message should be displayed. Why it has to display error message? Why it has to give error message? We are not entering any of the mandatory fields. Without entering any mandatory fields, you are clicking on register button. Now we can see that. Let me try. Always we need to follow very first step. Launching browser, enter URL. After that, click on new user register. Okay. After that, click on a register button. We need to click on register button. Once we got click on register button, what is the expected result? What is the expected result? Error message should be displayed. So you are confirming developer already done, but is that developer has been developed that application in the correct way or not? According to the requirement document, is that application developed in the correct way or not? We are confirming. Now let's click on register. What is actual result? What is actual result? Error message is displayed. So if I'm taking with actual result, what is actual result you will write? Error message is displayed. So need to be take care about error message is displayed. Now if you compare expected result, actual result, both are same. Oh, both are same or not? Expected result, actual result, both are same or not? Same. As both the results are same, what you will consider? Pass or fail? Pass or fail? Consider as a pass. So we'll just consider that particular test case status. That particular test case status as pass. So this is how you need to take care about. You need to take care about each and every test case. You have to go with each and every test case, each and every functionality, each and every functionality. You need to test it and you have to cross check that is there any issues are there in the application. You have to take care about. You need to take care about in testing each and every application, and you need to confirm that that particular test case has been pass and fail. So you guys need to take care about in spending with the time. You have to take care about in spending with the time in testing each and every functionality. First, you can start new user registration. First, you can start with the same module. You can go with new user registration and take care about in testing this module with each and every functionality. Try with all the combinations, all the test data, different combinations, positive, negative. Try with all the combinations and see that you can come up with in identifying the bugs. You have to take care about in identifying bugs in the application. There are bugs are there. You have to come up with in identifying that particular bugs. Once you completed, once you completed testing with the whole application, once you completed testing with this whole module, then you will go with, 3.2. What is 3.2? What is 3.2? What is it? Login page. That particular 3.2, you will be taking with login page. That particular 3.2, you will be taking with login page. Related to that particular login page, we got that particular test cases. You need to take each and every test case and you have to start doing the execution. See the steps here. See the steps. What is the first step? Launch browser. After that, enter URL. After that, enter valid username. After that, enter valid password. After that, click on login button. If you done these steps, what is the expected result? Login should be successful. And which page? Search hotel page should be displayed. Okay, let's test it. Let's test it. Taking care about launching the browser, entering the URL, and need to enter valid username. We need to enter valid username. I'm taking care about my username and password. You guys need to test with your username and password. How you will get username password? How you will get? User register. You guys need to take care about in doing. Provide your own username, provide your own password, your email address. For your email, you will get one. Whatever the email ID provided, you will get one email. Open the email. You will get one link. You have to click on the link. Then your credentials will be activated. Without clicking on the link, your credentials will not be activated. I have been already registered. I'm just trying with my credentials. You guys need to continue with your credentials. Okay. Now click on login. Once you click on login, what is the expected result? What is the expected result? Search hotel page should be displayed. Let's try on it. See that. What is actual result? What is actual result? Search hotel page is displayed. Okay. Now you need to provide that. Considering that, mentioning that login is successful. Login is successful. And such a hotel page is displayed. Such hotel page is displayed. Now compare both the results. When you compare both the results, pass or fail? Pass or fail? Pass or fail? Why pass? Expected result and actual result are same. So because of that, considering that, pass. Because of that, considering that, pass. Done. Next, what is the test case? Launching the browser, enter URL, enter invalid username, invalid password, click on login button. Test data. What is the test data? URL, username, password. Previously, at the time of designing the test cases, at the time of designing the test cases, what is the test data required? What is the test data required? Just to provide it. Now we were doing execution. It got application also. It got application. You are doing the execution. While providing the execution, you are providing that particular data also. What exactly the data you are using? What exactly the test data you are using? You need to provide it. So that is how you are taking care about test data. That is how your client can understand or the people can understand, okay, this test case tested by using this particular test data. That is the reason you need to take care about in providing that particular respective test data and taking with username need to be get provide that particular username need to be get provide that particular password. So for now we are taking with invalid username and taking with invalid password. We are taking care about invalid username, invalid password. If we enter invalid username, invalid password, what is the expected result? What is the expected result? Error message should be displayed. Okay, let's cross check that. Let's cross check that. I'm taking care about launching the browser, entering the URL, entering invalid password, invalid username and taking with invalid password. Click on login. Expected result. What is the expected result? Error message should be displayed. Let's see that. Let's click on it. Click on login. What is actual result? What is actual result? Error message displayed. Error message displayed or not? What kind of error message? For now we are not worried. What kind of error message? For now we are not worried. According to our requirement document, we need to test that error message is displayed or not. So we are able to see that error message is displayed. So what is actual result? What is actual result? Error message is displayed. Now compare expected result, actual result. Both the results are same. Both the results are same or not? Same. As both the results are same. What will consider? What will consider? Pass. Which will mentioning that. Which will mention that. Pass. So it's not like testing means just you are taking care about. Just you are taking care about only one or two test cases. That will take some time. It's not like you can complete the execution in just 1 hour or just 2 hours. That is what your regular activity. That is what the regular testing job role as a manual tester. Once he got job as a manual tester, once he got job as a manual tester, you have to take care about understanding the requirement, preparing the scenarios, preparing the test cases, and executing test cases. That is a regular activity till the time of You are working as a manual tester. That is the regular activity. When you work in the real time, your test lead, your test lead on daily basis, he will take care about in assigning that particular test cases. You have to take care about in looking into that particular test step. According to that, you need to come up with all the execution. You have to take care each and every test case, each and every functionality and need to be tested. You guys need to be continue. You guys need to be get continue taking care about in each and every functionality and taking care about in testing each and every particular test case here. For the time being, I'm not executing. But you guys need to be continue taking each and every test case. Spend some time. It's not like just 1 hour, 2 hour. You have to spend the time to identify bugs in the application because that is what the job role. At any cost, as a tester, we have to come up with in identifying bugs in the application. Till now, did we got any bugs? Till now, did we got any bugs? No. Looks like all the test case passed. We did not get any bugs. Set any cost, you have to think about in coming up with the bugs. I mean, you need to take care about, you have to take care about in considering the taking with executing each and every test case, executing each and every combination. Now, let's try this particular test case. See the steps. What are the steps we got? Launch browser. After that, enter URL. After that, verify links on image. Further, click on Google Play. Click on iOS. If you click on Google Play, what is the expected result? What is the expected result? Play Store should be displayed. Okay. 3.2. Our iOS store should be displayed. Okay. Let's try on this. You have to execute all the test cases. Not done. You guys need to be continue. You need to continue. Let's go with launching the browser, entering that particular URL. We need to take care about in entering that particular URL. After that, what is the next step? Right. See that. Having the option of Google Play, having the option of iOS, we need to click on that. I'm taking click activity. Any output we got? Is that click activity done here? I'm doing the click here. I'm trying to take the click activity. Any click activity done? Done or not, guys? I'm taking the click activity. Is that click is done or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Why no? Uh-huh. So according to our requirement document, according to our expected result, we need to be able to click on Google Play. We need to able to click on iOS. But in the application, we are not able to perform any click activity. We are not able to perform any click activity. That means if I'm taking with actual result, if I'm taking with actual result, the 3.1, what is actual result you will write? Play Store. Play Store is not displayed. We are trying to click activate itself not performing. Is that Play Store has been displayed? No. And taking with 3.2, 3.2. What I will mention? iOS Store is not displayed. Okay. Now you can compare expected result, actual result. Both are same. Both are same or not? Expected result, actual result, both are same or not? No, both the results are not same. As results are not same, pass or fail? Pass or fail? Consider as a fail. Now, in case of pass, what you will do? In case of pass, what you will do? You'll go with another test case. In case of fail, in case of fail, bug reporting. This is how you are coming up with identifying the bugs. So identifying the bugs means by default, you are not able to identify. Just by seeing the application, you are not able to identify any of the bugs. You have to test that. That is the reason tester job role created. Tester has been required in this current market. Looks like application is working. Application is working, but definitely bugs will be there. 100% bugs will be there in the application. So definitely bugs will be there. Because of that, the tester job role created. As a tester, we have to come up with testing the application in the different ways, different test data, and we need to come up with identifying the bugs. So for now, we got one particular bug. For now, we got one particular bug taking with bug 1 related to login page. In the login page related to links functionality. For now, we got one particular bug related to login functionality. Okay. Similar to this, there are lot of bugs are there in each and every module. In each and every module, bugs are there. You have to come up with in testing this build one and need to take care about in identifying the bugs. For example, I'll try to go with another module that I will be taking with select hotel. That I'll be taking with select hotel. See that. What is the first step? Login into application. We need to select all the required fields. Click on search button. What is the expected result? What is the expected result? Select total. Page should be displayed. Okay. Let's try on it. Taking with launching the browser, entering the URL, entering the username, your valid username, entering with password, and click on login. Once you've done login, you need to select required option. I'm just selecting all the required options. Click on search button. Once you click on search button, what is the expected result? What is the expected result? Select total. Page should be displayed. Select hotel. Page is displayed. Displayed? Displayed or not? Okay. Now, actual result. What is actual result you will write? Select hotel. Select hotel. page is displayed. Select total. Page is displayed. Test case pass or fail? Pass or fail? Pass or fail? Why pass? What is that both? Expected result and actual result. Both are same. What will consider? Pass. You will mention that particular test case considering that pass. Let's try another one. Next test case. What is this? Login. Once you done the login, click on search button. Once you done the login, click on search button. Once you click on search button, what is the expected result? What is the expected result? Error message should be displayed. Why error message? We are not centering any mandatory field. Okay, let's try on that. So I'm just taking care about the very first step, taking care about launching the browser, entering the URL. Always you need to try first step. Always you need to try the first step, launch browser, because you doesn't know when you will get the bug. You may get in a bug after entering the URL for 100 times. You may get in a bug. You doesn't know that. Because of that, always you need to test the application from the very first step. So here I need to take care about in entering valid username, taking with valid password, doing with login. Okay. Now click on search. Once you click on search, what is the expected result? What is the expected result? Error message should be displayed. Let's click on search. Let's click on search. Got the error message? Error message displayed or not? Okay. Error message displayed. Now see that expected result. Error message should be displayed. Actual result. Error message is displayed. Status. Pass or fail? Pass or fail? Why pass? Expected result, actual result, both are same. Meaning of expected result. Result based on. Result based on requirement document. Meaning of actual result. Result based on application. Okay. Test case pass. Next. What is this test case? Enter check-in date. Check-in date as? Check-in date as previous date. Now expected result. Expected result. Why error message? Why it has to give error message? Because of previous date. You are trying to take that particular hotel with the previous date. Is that, can we book the hotel with the previous date? Yes or no? Can we book any hotel with the previous date? No, we don't have an option. So if we try with the previous date, it has to provide error message. Okay, let's test it. Let's test it how it is working. Okay, so now as usual, I'm taking with first step, launching the browser, entering the URL, entering the username, entering the password, click on login button. After that, selecting that location, select all the required fields. Check-in date. We are entering check-in date as previous date. You can try with any date. So you can try with any date. So you are taking with previous check-in date. Now click on search. If you click on search, what is the expected result? What is the expected result? error message should be displayed. Okay, let's click on search. Let's click on search. Now, what is actual result? What is actual result? Select total, page is displayed. Actual result, mentioning that select hotel, page is displayed. What is the expected result? Error message should be displayed. But what is the actual result? Select total page is displayed. Is that both the results are same or not? Both are same or not? Not same. As both the results are not same, what you will consider? What you will consider? Fail. In case of fail, what need to be done? In case of fail, what you will do? What you will do? Bug reporting. So in case of fail, we have to take care about bug reporting. So we got one more bug. See that? Looks like our application working. It is working also. But at the same time, 100% bugs will be there. So that is what the tester is required. That is how the tester has to take care about to test each and every functionality, including police stop and comma also need to be tested. In that level, every functionality, not like only main things here, each and every functionality need to be tested and you have to come up with an identifying more number of bugs in the application. So taking care about the second bug related to check-in date. So we got second bug related to check-in date. Order can be anything. Conclusion is I required you guys need to take care about to test this whole application. I mean, you have to continue, you need to continue to test with the whole build one. You got build one. For now, you got build one. In future, I'll discuss about build two. Don't be worried about on that. For now, your target build one released from development team to testing team. As build one released, as we are ready with test cases, we have to take each and every test case. And when you guys are testing this application, assume that you may missed out any of the functionality because previously you written the test case by referring the requirement document. Now you got application. If you assume that any of the test case you have been missed out, you can add the test case to your test case document. It's not like we started test execution because of that we cannot add any of the test cases. There is no rule on that. That is what your real time. When you're working in the real time also, at the time of test execution, if you feel that you have been missed out any of the functionality, if you missed out any of the test case in writing, you can take care about in adding that particular test case to your test case document. Just in the last, you can take care about adding that test cases. Doesn't make any problem. Conclusion, you have to test each and every functionality. So you have to take care about each and every functionality. For now, how many bugs we got? How many bugs we got? 2 bugs. Now, what I required is you guys test the whole build one. You guys can take care about in testing with the whole build one and come up with identify the bugs. Start one by one. First go with user registration. test all the functionalities. See that any bugs are there. Bugs are there. Each and every model, bugs are there. You have to come up with in identifying those bugs. Once you completed this user registration, then you can go with login. See that any bugs are there. And then you can go with, and then you can go with in testing. You can go with in testing with such hotel model, and then cross check that is there any bugs or there. You have to try every model. You need to try each and every model. You have to take care about each and every model. Search hotel, click on search. Once you click on search, what is the next model you got? What is the next model you got? Select hotel. So select that particular required hotel and click on continue. Once you got, click on continue. You need to continue book a hotel. You have to take care about providing all the details. You need to provide that first name, providing the last name, and providing billing address. You need to provide that particular billing address. And you have to provide what you have to provide? Credit card number. What is the credit card number you will provide? That particular credit card number. Don't enter original credit card number. Never try with original credit card number. If you enter original credit card number, Suresh sir is not responsible. Remember on that. If you enter original credit card number, Suresh sir is not responsible. Please remember on that. Don't enter original credit card number. Okay. After that, credit card type, you can try with all the combinations. You can try with all the combinations, and then taking with expiry date. You need to take care about that particular expiry date. CVV number. CVV number, how many digits? 3 or 4? 3 or 4? 4, 3, both. It depends on the card. In case of maximum of all the cards, 3 digit. In case of American Express, it will go with 4 digit. For American Express, it is 4 digit. Remaining all the card, 3 digits here. That CVV number also don't enter original CVV number. If you enter original CVV number, Suresh sir is not responsible. Be remember on that. Be remember on that. Never enter original number. If you enter original number, your payment will process. Don't enter original details here. So for now, you can go with some dummy number and you can click on book now. Then your payment will be processed and you will be able to see that particular order number will be generated. So you got that particular confirmation. That confirmation, you got order number. So you can take that order number. You got order number, having with that particular order number and taking with book dictionary. That is what all the models here. New user registration, login, search hotel, select hotel, book a hotel, order number generation, and then book dictionary. And then taking care about entering with order ID. Once you enter order ID, click on go button. It has to give your order details. Is it that particular order done in the correct way or not? it's need to be get take care about in providing that particular order details. It has to take care about in providing that particular order details. She got all that confirmation, including the cancel option. In case of you got click on that cancel, you need to be able to say that that cancel need to be done. So by this, you can confirm that that particular booking has been confirmed. As booking has been confirmed, taking the printout of this order number, searching the hotel in Amirpet. It is not there in Amirpet here. That is live application. Originally, that hotels are available, not like our India location. So outside of India, we got these particular hotels here. So just you guys need to take care about. You need to take care about in taking with each and every model, and you have to come up with in identifying the bugs. So what I required is there are 30 plus bugs are there. How many? 30 plus. In this build one, in this build one, 30 plus bugs are there. Now, what I required is you guys at least you need to come up with in identifying minimum of minimum of minimum of 10 bugs. Minimum of 10 bugs I required. I required minimum of 10 bugs. 10 bugs means apart from these two. 10 plus 2. Don't consider these two. 10 plus 2. That means 12. So for Monday session, I required 12 bugs. Tomorrow? Sunday, what I will do? Biryani, yeah? Before taking the biryani, what do you have to do? What do you have to do? First, you got some assignments. You got an assignment. You need to take care about. You guys need to be get take care about uploading all your documents here. So that is what I got that particular link also to get upload. I got in a link also. You need to be able to see that uploading all your required files in that. So I mean, you need to take care about in considering that first creating your respective files, creating all your respective files. Once I got take care about, still lot of other people, guys. Very less folders are there. Deleted. Even online also very less students. I required everyone need to take care about in completing that assignments here. So by Monday, see your assignments. Lot of assignments I got. By Monday, in that particular server, your test scenario document to be uploaded, and then test cases document to be uploaded. Along with that, how many bugs? How many bugs? No, I required for now 12 bugs. By